Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys metal butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the Easy Toys metal butt plug itself, featuring a very unique design. Now there's a variety of these metal butt plugs in the Easy Toys anal collection with different shapes, sizes and colours. At the base here we can see it's got a beautiful clear crystal, giving it a very elegant look. We'd recommend this butt plug for experienced or advanced users in anal play. This is a unique way of providing anal stimulation. This butt plug is made entirely out of a stunning polished aluminium. Now this means it can be temperature responsive, which means it's cold to the touch but it will quickly warm up during use. Not only is it temperature responsive, it's suitable for temperature play. This means you can pop this in cold water to enjoy cooler sensations, or you could even use it in warm water to enjoy a warmer sensation during use. It features a very beautiful smooth bulbous body with a taper tip for easy insertion and removal, a long slender neck and a wide base so it stays in place beautifully there. Now when using this butt plug, we would highly recommend to use in combination with a lubricant. This can be either a water-based lubricant or a silicone-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, but alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Easy Toys metal butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.